Good morning to one and all. Good morning, students. Welcome to the new academic session, the biology class of today. We will be discussing some important concepts based on experiential learning. So before we begin the class, let us have some thoughts of the day. So today is May 16th. The greatest educationist Swami Vivekananda says, "My sons, all of you be men. This is what I want. If you are even a little successful, I shall feel my life has been meaningful. If you are even a little successful, I shall feel my life has been meaningful." He also stressed the importance of truth by his famous quote, "Stick to truth and we shall succeed, maybe slowly but surely." And we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. And the most important one, our first duty is not to hate ourselves, because to advance we must have faith in ourselves first and then in God. He who has no faith in himself can never have faith in God. So with these important teachings, we will proceed our experiential learning classes. Here I have brought a small garden, a small ecosystem, where we have studied the experiential learning first experiment. So here we will be continuing with the same thing, with the different stages of life, which you can see in the coming part. Are you ready? Okay. Let us start from the first 5 elements, that is earth, the soil, where you can see some of the seeds are placed here. You can see the seeds are there, and when the earth is mixed with water, the second element, you can see the first event in life happening. When earth and water is combined, you can see the germination of a seed. So after germination, it will not stop growing. You can see the germinating seed has its own roots to fix it on the ground, and stem to take the absorbed nutrients to the kitchens of the lab of the leaves. And you can see the slowly life started growing. A small plant from a single seed, with the help of the earth, water, and of course the ultimate source from the sun, it should be there, that is light. Very good, light is required, that you remember. So light is the essential source of energy. So with that, the kindling of light, the life start emerging. You can see the root system will be there, and gradually the plant grows, it gradually blooms. You are seeing here, I think you are able to identify the plant. Are you able to identify the plant? Yes, this is the Indian culture famous traditional plant, basil plant. It is known as Ocimum sanctum. This Ocimum sanctum, you can see all the parts of the flower, all the parts of a plant, starting from the roots to the stem to the different parts we will be dealing. So you can see the root, stem, leaves, and the flowers. So all these things are made from a single cell. That process of happening is called life process. So today we will be discussing the events, the sequence of events which made the seed to germinate and grow into an adult organism, to make its purpose of life fruitful by flowering and seedling. So the important life processes happening in an organism, what are the main important events happening in our life? They are, you can see this seed will be giving it will be giving the sprout, it will be giving germinating. That first activity of life, that is called sensory response. The stimulus sensory response is the first and foremost activity that all the living organism will be doing. Sensory stimulus, that is the first and supermost activity. Then it will take the nutrients, that is called nutrition. The nutrients will be getting transported, transportation will be happening into the different parts, and from transportation it will lead to excretion of the waste products. Then it will be doing the reproduction of the egg and seedling, and again the cycle starts happening. The various activities such as nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion, transportation, or the various life processes, and the vital life process is the reproduction by which the animal race will be sustained. So we will be dealing with each topic in a detailed manner. Thank you for watching.